Go. Hola!
Hello, hello.
Welcome back, welcome back.
Welcome to our channel.
Welcome to the channel, and those who are new, I am Lottie.
And I'm Wyn.
And today, like we said, we got Be Cute Surprise People. We've decided to do a
Food review.
food review. We are starving and
Yes.
we've been deliberating for like a while what to do, whether it's Domino's, whether it's
Pizza Hut.
Pizza Hut, or
Burger King.
McDonald's. So much choice, we've been spoiled. So let's get back to it. It's actually going to be pizza night.
Pizza.
You know, who doesn't like pizza? So we are trying Mexican pizza today. We got quite a few bits of surprises.
Yes.
Stay tuned.
Yes. Hola, hola. Special delivery.
I see. What have you got, babe?
Got some pizza, some wings, a
Oh.
drink.
Oh Lord, it's gonna be pizza night.
Pizza night it is.
Woo-wee. It's gonna be a lovely food review. Woo, so we are excited.
Very excited and hungry.
I'm starving.
I haven't eaten all day.
All day we've been waiting for this, so let me try and see this. So this is like this is my own speciality, I guess I did, right?
Yeah.
It was a 4-ingredient pizza. It's got some ground meat, some onions, some mushrooms, and some olives.
Looks tasty.
It looks yummy, actually. So we're gonna serve it here,
Okay.
so you guys can see it, because this is yummy. Oh my goodness. Oof. You know one thing, babe, I miss?
What's that?
I do miss, actually just choose, but I don't want to get too cold. I love my pizza nice and warm. They don't have, like in the UK, we have like garlic hot sauce. That is something I miss.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, it was good. Yeah.
Yeah. Should we get yours?
Yes.
What we got here?
Let's see.
Mm-mm-mm.
So I was being a little naughty boy today. I got pepperoni,
Mm-hmm.
I got jalapenos, mushrooms, and green peppers.
Mm-mm-mm. Got like a nice little sauce in there. Try to look where the tissues are.
Oh, they're right here.
Okay. There we go. Brilliant, babe. Gracias. So, oh my goodness.
You want to go ahead and try your pizza
Let me
first?
try it.
It's good?
Can you try it, please?
Um,
Let me try yours first.
yeah, I'll try mine first.
Okay. Really
Very
good, huh?
spicy. The pepperonis are spicy on these ones.
Is it? Interesting. I like the base. It's nice and not too thick, not too thin. No. I know you love like thick base pizzas, right? Like pan-based pizzas, often, right?
I love any kind of pizza.
Yeah? I know you do actually, babe.
It's actually really tasty.
Very good. We should have tried this before, huh? So we've been trying to be very healthy.
Very healthy.
When's the last time we had like literally like
It's been a while.
junk food?
Right?
This is muy, muy bueno. As you would say here, it's very good. I like the fact that it's got a lot of cheese on it as well. Because sometimes you don't get enough cheese and it's like a bit dry. The Mexican Pepsi actually.
Mexican Pepsi right here.
It's massive. This is what it comes with the. This is a normal size. This is what 1.5 liters.
1.5 liters, yeah.
Yeah, comes with a meal. Like, okay, in the UK I think we get what, 500 mils, is it? The little cans with you.
So I got my fizzy drink. Look, my pizza's got a little hole in it.
Oh Lord, what happened there? Oh dear. Someone was getting excited with the kneading.
Yes.
Oh, for desserts actually, they have really nice churros, but we were thinking that's going to be too much today for one day to eat all this lovely, yummy food. But in the UK we have ice cream options, which they don't have here, right? What do you guys have in the US? I'm trying to remember now.
We have like dessert pizza.
Oh yes.
Which is like cinnamon and chocolate. It's like a little small pizza.
The drinks in the UK, we get them in like little 500ml, like you said. But here they're like 1.5 liters, 1.6 liters, I think it was. Drinks. They've got a variety. They haven't got Coke. They only got Pepsi. They haven't got Sprite. They've got 7-Up. And they haven't got Fanta. They've got Mirinda. Yeah. So they've got quite a different drinks, I would say, in Mexico. I guess it's for their own like clientele and yeah. I tried Mirinda in a different restaurant. It's quite nice. It's like Fanta orange, but more orangey, right? It's more tiny.
Definitely.
Right, very nice.
So overall, how would you rate the pizza compared to the pizza back home in the UK?
That's a very good question. I would definitely give it like a
like equivalent, slightly below, above.
I'm definitely liking this pizza because of the bread quality. I think the dough is very different here. It's more tasty. I love the ratio of the sauce and the cheese on them as well. Domino's Pizza in the UK is nice, but I think this is nicer. So I'm going to give it definitely 10 out of 10. I'll definitely buy this pizza again, for sure.
I would definitely give it a 10 out of 10 too. Compared to the States, I would say this pizza is probably equivalent, if not better. I mean, the temperature was good, the dough was good, the pepperoni is good. I like jalapenos too in my pizza, so I gotta have a little cake in there.
For sure.
But overall, I mean, I would say it's about the same, if not better.
Very true.
Than the ones in the States.
We got a surprise. What did we have?
Wings.
We got chicken wings, and we got 2 different types.
Yes.
Oops, today's gonna go. Oh, my drink. So these ones are just plain wings. So I just wanted to try something different. And I think you've got the barbecue one, haven't you, babe?
Yes, got barbecue wings.
Barbecue wings. So we're gonna try this, and then you can tell me, babe. You gonna try one? And tell me what you think.
Yeah, I'm getting that one.
Yeah, please do. Oh, they've got, so it comes with like little tiny blue cheese sachet. I'm not a fan of blue cheese, people, so I'm not going to try that. I think it's got a very, very strong pungent smell. Yep. Should I try it? I am hungry, babe.
How is it?
Nice.
Just plain, right? What does it taste like?
It's really nice. It's actually tasty by itself.
Yeah? Let me try these barbecue. These are pretty good.
Right?
It's kind of like a tangy barbecue sauce.
Is it? Interesting.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like my wings. Like I said, I miss the barbecue garlic herb sauce that we have in the UK. It's so good with pizza. This is one thing you guys don't have it as well, right?
No, we don't have it.
Yeah, it's really yummy. Like
the one thing
yummy.
the pizzas would come with, which you would have to request, was ranch sauce, ranch dipping sauce on the side in the States.
That's true. Ranch is good. Very good sauce. This is good, isn't it?
Very good.
We tried a few wing places here. Like we tried like the I can't remember the name of this restaurant, but it wasn't as to what we're used to, right?
No.
Oh, one thing they do here as well, we've realized the wings when we in the UK, we get them as like size of 7, 14, or 21. And I think that they removed the 21 option right now, but it's now just 7 and 14. But here in Mexico, they actually measure and weigh
by the gram.
By the gram, they measure the wings. So when you're buying them, you're telling them how many grams of wings you want.
Right.
Interesting,
which is
right?
kind of tricky if you ask me.
Mm-hmm.
The thing when we got it from the last place down the street.
Yeah.
We ordered. I think it was how many grams? Like 600 grams.
Yeah.
Or something like that.
Yeah.
And it's kind of hard to gauge the size of the wings, the quantity when you're doing it off of the weight.
Yeah.
Because I'm not used to that.
Yeah, you guys don't weigh them in the US, isn't it?
No, we always do by quantity.
Yeah, that's what I'm used to, like how many wings you get. But yeah, that's something new we just learned. They weigh their wings, you know? Oh, debate actually. Let's bring this debate. I'm not sure if people are in this. So in the UK, we love the little drumsticks, like little wingy things. But in the US...
In the US, I love the flats.
The flats are loved by everybody, so I'm not sure if it's team drumstick, little tiny drumstick with the wing, or the little flats.
I think it's team flats.
Team drumsticks.
Yeah, it was funny because in the UK when we got wings, it was like they didn't even give us flats. They just
not that many, because a lot of people love the drums.
A lot of people love the drums, which I was surprised. Like, what do they do with the flats? They just throw them away or what? You know?
Good question, actually. Good question. But yeah, people, tell us what you want to see again.
Please tell us.
Do you want to see McDonald's? Oh.
KFC?
KFC? Chicken again?
Or your favorite Subway?
Was it Subway? My favorite? No. That's a joke, babe. It's not my favorite. That's why he's making a joke. We didn't say Subway, we said Burger King.
We said Burger King,
I was wondering, I was like, what? Subway? Oh. You got me there. But yeah. Tell us what you want to see. Do you guys prefer McDonald's? Are you like a fan of the Big Mac? What do you have in Burger King? I'm trying to think. I'm not a Burger King fan.
The Whopper, that's their famous burger.
So do you want to see us eating some nice Whoppers and trying some Mexican Whoppers? Or should we try some KFC chicken? Greasy and yummy.
I don't know what to get now.
I know, right?
But I'm glad we decided on pizza today, because this is what I was actually craving.
Yeah. We haven't had junk food for a while, which is really good, actually.
Yeah, very good.
Good. Muy bien.
We've been sticking to a pretty healthy diet lately.
Very healthy. I mean, we've got all the beautiful food here. I mean, we're still going to be doing, obviously, reviews of Mexican food. We just talking about the big chain foods first, because, you know, people are more familiar with them. So if we give a review of them, then we can actually be able to, like, tell people and how people can relate to them in different countries, right? Yeah, but we've been eating quite healthy, like really healthy. Greens and fruits and vegetables and
avocados and mangoes.
Kind of meat especially. But yeah, thank you so much, guys, for joining us.
Thank you for joining us.
It's always a pleasure.
Always a pleasure.
You want to say anything more, babe?
Well, I'm about to eat this pizza, eat these wings. What else? You got anything else?
Definitely got more things. So like I said, please do comment and tell us if you want to see McDonald's, Burger King,
Pizza Hut.
Not Pizza Hut. Oh my goodness, babe.
Subway?
Not Subway.
What? As you can see, I'm from
KFC.
I'm from the States.
He's mentioning all the fast food chains. KFC. Let's not get confused. KFC. So let's say it again. McDonald's, Burger King,
KFC.
Oh, KFC.
Or Subway, yoga mats.
But anyway, again, thank you so much for joining us, people. We are so truly thankful for all your support. And keep on subscribing, keep on sharing, and
keep on liking the videos.
Thumbs up. We appreciate all the support.
Yes.
How can we even thank you even more?
Right.
But yeah, till next week.
Alright, see you next time.
Peace out.
Bye.